To fill your bobbin, start by winding your thread around the tension at the top following the dotted guidelines. Pull your thread around your bobbin 4 to 5 times and then cut off the end thread so that nothing gets tangled. Snap your bobbin over and then press the start button to watch the thread wind. To load your bobbin, drop it into the machine with the thread going counterclockwise and follow the arrow guides, pulling your thread around and cutting it off at the end. Replace the bobbin cover over the top. To thread your machine, follow the solid guided lines, pulling it down and back up around the hook, and then down again through the eye of the needle. Once you've pulled it through the eye of the needle, pull it down and back through the center of your foot. Holding your upper thread tightly in your left hand, wind the needle down and then back up to see your bobbin thread appear from underneath. To begin sewing, place your fabric on the machine, put down your foot, and press the start button. You can adjust the speed as well as use the reverse stitch button to lock your stitches. The start button will continue stitching again, and when you're finished, reverse stitch at the end, and then you're good to raise your foot and pull your fabric off, cutting your threads. And voila, you're all set.